Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is SimplyKrystelle. So today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial on this red smoky eye look. I really love the way this eye is. I didn't record an intro for this video, so this is my intro. But anyways, I created this look and I really wanted to share it with you guys. So let's get into the tutorial. So I am whipping out the Morphe 3502 palette. I haven't used this palette in forever. And so I'm taking that brown shade, that kind of sand tone, as like I like to do this when I do my eyeshadow. I love to start with colors that are similar to my skin tone just to set the concealer that I put, and then I like to build up my color. So I'm taking a tan shade and that's going to serve as my transition shade, but I'm also spreading that color everywhere. Now I'm taking that orange shade and I'm going to apply that in my crease. I'm going to be more precise with this because this is going to be my crease shade. Now I'm taking that bright poppy red shade and I'm going to also go into my crease with this color. This is going to be the standout color for this whole look because the whole look is centered around this shade, so I'm really going to build this color a lot. It's very pigmented already, but I'm going to make sure I go in with this and build it to the high intensity that I need it at. And now I'm going to take that dark brown shade and I'm going to use that as my outer V shade to really smoke out this look. I still want it to be very red, but I also wanted to add that dark color in the outer V just to add that depth to the look. I'm going back with that mid-tone orange shade, like that peach shade, and I'm going to apply that on top of my transition color because I still want that transition shade to peek through. So I'm just going back and fixing that. Now I'm going back in my crease with that red to really intensify that red shade in my crease area. And now for my lace shade, I'm taking this red shade. I don't want to say it's a glitter shade. I would say it's I forget what they call it. It's not matte. Whatever type of formula this is. I forgot the finish, but I'm taking this and using my finger to apply this over my lids. This is going to make everything pop and just be so pretty. Now for my lower lashes, I'm taking that red that I used in my crease. I'm just going to smudge that. And then to highlight my brow bone, I'm taking that gold shade and using that underneath my brow bone. Now I'm going to take this Tarte eyeliner and make a wing. Now I'm taking the Tarte Man Eater mascara and I'm going to apply that to my lashes. This makes my lashes so nice. So yeah guys, this tutorial is just an eye tutorial, so this is it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know if you like more of these types of tutorials, just the eyes as opposed to like the whole everything, and I can film more of those. But thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you are not, because I know you're not subscribed, and also please give this video a thumbs up and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.